So I had this idea about doing sort of like thought of the day, or just random shit that crosses my mind. Now I could post on the other channel, but honestly, socks in the background meowing like crazy. And I don't like having two channels. It's too much of a pain in the ass because I've got to switch, and it's just, so you're just going to have to put up with. You can watch these or you can just not watch them. It's up to you. But anyway, I went down to the IGA today, which is, I think it's Independent Growers Association is what it actually stands for. It's just a little grocery shop, little local grocery shop. They have them all over the place. Anyway, you quite often get this. As you can see, I'm not exactly a supermodel, right? I'm slightly overweight, or a lot overweight. Oh, and speaking of sockses, hello. So I am not uncomfortable with how I look. I don't care that I'm overweight. It just honestly doesn't faze me because I'm overweight, and to say otherwise is disingenuous. So anyway, I went down to the IGA and I bought 2 tubs of Magnum ice cream. I don't have an empty one to show you, but they're, yay big, yay round. I had 2 of them, and I also picked up a packet of chips. And of course, as always, you get those kind of looks from people. When you're overweight, if you buy stuff that's fattening, you know the look, right? If you're skinny, you don't understand. You really don't. But you people will look at you as if to say, you are overweight. You shouldn't be eating that. You should be eating a salad, and it's just this sort of judgment look. Or, I don't know, maybe because we are overweight, we read into this. But I've heard other overweight people say this before, that they feel as though people are looking and saying, you shouldn't eat that because you're fat. And I just had this thought today that when this person looked at me like that, I just wanted to turn around and say, excuse me, how do you think I got like this? Eating broccoli? I eat Magnums and I don't care. But yes, I just had that thought and I just wanted to share, because it's kind of like, we all judge. Anyone who says they do not look at another person and judge sometimes is a liar, and I'll call you out on it if you say it. I like to think that I'm not too judgmental, but I do it as well. Like, there's a dude over, I live in a 2-story house now, so I see a lot, and then there's a dude like 4 houses over in his backyard. He's got a great big brown, he looks like he's 9 months pregnant. And he's wandering around without his shirt on. And I was like, oh my God, dude, put a shirt on. You shouldn't, with a body like that, you shouldn't not be wearing a shirt. And then I thought, that's super judgmental and terrible. And I thought, maybe I'm just jealous because I can't walk around without a shirt on. With my 9, I don't think I'm 9 months, I think I'm about, I'd say about 6 months, 7 months maybe. But yes, so we are all judgmental in one way or another. I just think that is a very human trait. I don't think, I won't say I don't think there's anything wrong with it, because it would be better if you weren't judgmental, but I think it's hard to not be judgmental because that's just the world that we live in. We can maybe be judgmental, keep our judgments to ourselves, and then realise, like I did after I said it, that A, it was judgmental and wrong of me to think that, and B, reflect on the fact that maybe I was being judgmental just because I was jealous and didn't want to have to walk around in a shirt because it was a stinking hot friggin' day. And I can't because I have boobies, which apparently are illegal to show in public. So, which, really, they're boobies. It's just, yeah, I mean, the world is a funny place. But that's it. That's my little 5-minute rant that I just wanted to share with you all. As you can see, shit's happening. Look, I'm so happy about this. I have had this sword now for 10 years probably, and I've never had anywhere. I mean, it's still not perfect, but it's up and I'm really happy about it. So anyone breaks in this house, mate, they're losing a limb, because it's actually sharpened. I'm supposed to, I shouldn't say this on, a platform, but as far as I'm aware, in Australia, I'm actually supposed to have a license to own this, because it's not like you couldn't cut paper or anything with it, but it's sharp. You could probably chop wood with it. You wouldn't want to, because it's an ornamental sword, but it's so heavy, I reckon you could chop a limb off. I'm not going to chop any limbs off, but it's an awesome sword. And yeah, Bree was, when Bree and I used to be together years and years ago, she used to buy the best presents. Like, most of the things that I own that are like my most favourite things came from her, because she knows how to buy a gift. So, alright, yeah, that was my little whinge. So for all you chubby ones out there like me, the next time someone gives you that look, just in your head, just remember that the shit that you're buying that makes you overweight is what made you overweight, and that those people that thinking you need to eat a salad, just laugh at them. Just literally just laugh at them, and then they will get cranky and you'll be laughing and you'll be happy. Like me, I'm always happy. Never whinge, never have a problem. I'm always cheerful, because I'm the jolly fat person. I'm really not even remotely jolly. But yeah, at the moment I'm amused. So that's a good thing. Alright. 7 minutes. Woohoo! Alright. Bye.